Hello students, this is question number 2 from exercise 4.4 of NCERT class 10. Here we have to find the values of k for each of the following quadratic equation such that they have two equal roots. For equal roots we know that d should be equal to 0. So in part 1 2x square plus kx plus 3 equal to 0. We also know that d is equal to b square minus 4ac. So d will be 0 means b square minus 4ac will be 0 for two equal roots. b equal to k, hence it is k square minus 4 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 equal to 0. We get k square minus 24 equal to 0. So k square equal to 24, and on solving we get k equal to 2 under root 6 with plus minus sign. So this will be the answer of part 1. Now in second part we are given that equation kx multiplied by x minus 2 plus 6 equal to 0. Now when we multiply this we get kx square minus 2kx plus 6 equal to 0. On comparing we get a equal to k, b equal to minus 2k and c equal to 6. For two equal roots as mentioned in the question, d should be equal to 0 means b square minus 4ac should be equal to 0. So it will be 4k square minus 4 a into c equal to 0. So we get 4k square minus 24k equal to 0. Again when we take common 4k we get k minus 6 in the bracket. So here k 4k equal to 0 और k minus 6 equal to 0. अब ये देखो जब आपके पास ये इतना आ गया तो आपको ये पता लगा या तो k बराबर 0 आएगा या k बराबर 6 आएगा. अब यहां से आप ये देखो अगर हमने k को 0 लिया, अगर हमने k को 0 लिया तो इसका मतलब आप ये देख रहे हो कि ये जो टर्म है ये वाला टर्म तो हट जाएगा, पूरा हट जाएगा. k 0 लेने पर बेसिकली सब कुछ 0 हो जाएगा तो 6 बराबर 0 आ जाएगा. तो ये तो कभी पॉसिबल ही नहीं है, इसलिए आप इसको नेग्लेक्ट कर दोगे. अब k इक्वल टू 6 जब आप लेंगे तब ऐसी कोई भी दिक्कत आपके पास नहीं आएगी. तो इस तरीके से k इक्वल टू 6 विल बी अवर फाइनल आंसर.